Christopher Corinthian here again, and today I'm gonna show you the environment monitor, which is EVM. So this is the box of the EVM right here. It's a pretty big box, like a James Bond suitcase or what. It has two locks right here. We can just open it. It's pretty hard, so we must pull it harder. Alright, so I open it, and there will be one user manual and some kind of brochures right here. And so I open it up, and you'll see this one EVM light at the bottom with the charger right here, and with some sort of like tools for this one EVM. If you want to use it, there are extra tools for the EVM. So basically this is the EVM. I can just take it out right here. Alright, so I put it back in. So after you have finished using this EVM right here, you can put it back to the EVM box. Alright, put it at the original position and put it back. Put the user manual and the brochures back in the box, and we're going to close it. Push it harder, right? It's pretty hard, right? So this one is the Air Velocity Probe suitcase. No, it's actually Air Velocity Probe box, I think. It has also two locks right here. Open it. Alright, so we have one like certificate of calibration right here, 3M. Alright, yeah, it's certified, right? Okay, so we have the Air Velocity Probe right here. This one, sorry, it's kind of like messed up, right? With the wire connected, and this is the cap of the Air Velocity Probe. And we have another connector, which I can just connect this one with this one and this one to the EVM. Right, this one like an aux input. Right, we have this charger right here, the charger for the batteries of Air Velocity Probe, so which I can just like, you know, put them on this charger, and I'll just plug this with this adapter onto the power supply, right? So it's pretty easy, right? It's pretty simple. I guess all of you can just charge your own phone, which is the same as this one. If you want to attach this Air Velocity Probe onto the EVM, you'll need to attach this one. This one. You'll see the screw right here, right? So just twist it. So it's basically done, alright? So basically you can just put it on the EVM, alright, at the back of the EVM, which there are 3 platforms which you can just plug this in. It's actually simple, but it costs a lot. Like this one is about $10,000, so we must really take care of these 2 equipments, alright? In case it lost, then you'll be done, man. You're done, homie. So this one, just put it back here. This one, just put it back here. So this one, just put it back here with this cap attached at the bottom of it. So I just close it. As usual, just close it. And yep, it's done. So I have these 2 boxes which look like the James Bond boxes. I know how to use this EVM, which is environmental monitor, and with this one, Air Velocity Probe, we use EVM to calculate temperature, humidity, particulate matter, 2.5 and 10, and basically we can get the oxygen and the carbon dioxide content. And Air Velocity 2, first step is we need to switch on this EVM, alright? First, I'm gonna press this one this button on and off. So it is on already. So if you want to start running, you can just press start. If you want to setting, you can just go there and set up. Alright, so I just press run. Alright, once I press it, it will start the countdown from 5 seconds. So now it starts with the first second. Alright, if you want to use the air velocity probe, I'm gonna plug this one to right behind this. This EVM has 3 platforms right here, so I'm gonna plug it right here in the middle. It's like an aux input, right? So once I plugged it in, and I'm gonna switch on this one on and off, and you'll see the light, which means that it is working, right? So I'm gonna go there, the air conditioner, I'm gonna measure the air velocity, right? So the first step, I'm gonna climb up this chair and I'm gonna put my air velocity probe right here, just right here, just like this. So in this position, and I'm gonna see what's the reading on this EVM, right? So you can press to the right, and you'll find this page, which it will show the air velocity 2.3 meter per second. Alright, so I'm gonna start it right away. So it's 2.6 meter per second. It's 0 per second. Alright, it's actually off. Alright, the battery is off. Right, I don't know what happened. Alright, see you in the next one.